Hello and welcome back to Can Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we had a chance to fix this Delonghi Perfecta machine in our shop. We had some leaks coming from the boiler, the thermal block that's located over here. Had 3 bad gaskets that's causing it to leak from the right side. We had this replaced and now it's good to go. We put some shots ourselves and just want you to see how the machine is working after the repair. Just gonna make a double shot espresso. There we go. This looks pretty good. I think this is enough. Technically designed for a bigger glass. Alright, so thank you for watching and thank you for repairing with Can Coffee. Please comment below if you have any questions or anything to say. We'll be happy to hear about it. Thanks again.